Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And today, I'm going to be teaching you this kind of upside down green triangle sort of trick. That was it, you just saw it a second ago. A few tricks that you should know for this is, one is a while back, Yoyo won. He made this slack tag combo. It looks like this, you might remember it if you watch him. And also Yotrix stole that idea for a video they did and didn't credit it, and I don't know if you remember that, but it was interesting. But it's kind of the same start, except the finish is way different. So, let's go. First step you gotta do is kind of like you twist your hand over and grab the two strings. So you grab the one far away from you with your four fingers here. 4 yo-yo fingers, and then you grab the one next to that one with your thumb. So I'll do it sideways so you can see a little bit better. You're gonna grab with your 4 and grab with the 2, and you have to kind of like be able and like kind of open it up so then it can slide through and eventually like kind of get into that mount. I'm not gonna go into too much detail with that trick, other than like that part, because you can go find his combo or the Yotrix video on anywhere on Google, hopefully. What you're gonna do is you're gonna drop the one on your thumb. So you go like this, grab, and then you can just drop it off of your thumb. We're not going to be doing that. We're kind of going to be like missing the string and going to the front. And like, I don't know, you kind of drop it off and then get into like this reverse green triangle sort of thing. So, you go here, grab, and because it's in the back right now, you can actually just like drop your thumb. Just put it in the front. So the strings look like a little bit like this, hopefully, please. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna just drop your yo-yoing hand and make it so you kind of like are pinching this with one finger, and you're gonna throw it out to your left and spin it around both of your fingers. Yeah, you're going to spin it around both of your fingers. So you're going to just like kind of do a quick little pass over. It'll pass over this hand and this hand down to here. And as you can see, this looks like a knot mount. And to some people, they don't know how to like actually do anything from that. There's a few things you can do. You don't have to do the reverse green triangle, but I prefer to do that because it just looks really flashy and nice. You can do like this. Something like that or something. You could also, I'll teach you the reverse green triangle, and I'm going to be doing a like more in detailed reverse green triangle up in the future here. And so you're in this weird knot mount, and you're going to take your finger and kind of do a gorilla mount. You're going to take it and just catch the string like that. And then you're just going to try and like pop it up into the top string, and you have to hit that top string or else it's not going to work. You have to hit that top string, and then you're gonna let go with your pointer finger so it can make the green triangle. I'll do a quick slow-mo of that. It's weird to get used to because when you're starting out learning that one trick, you can do here and you'll miss sometimes and get a knot, and it's pretty easy to pop out of, but you should know how to do that just because you're going to be getting a ton of knots from this trick. The other thing that could happen is when you're trying to do it, you might successfully hit the upside down green triangle part, and then it's going to land into a reverse green triangle. To be honest, I don't know how to do that on command, so when you do it, it might just land into a reverse green triangle. This trick is probably a lot easier than Yoyo slack tap combo thing, because for his, you have to land it on that string like that. You can just miss it to the front in this one. One thing I forgot to mention is when you're doing this, you want to curl in your hand, so it's like this. You curl it in so it's a fist, and just pass it around your fingers, and then you can open it up again and get into your reverse green triangle. Thank you all for watching the video. One quick shout out, because Henry Yoyo, he can't get into the contest. He lives in Taiwan, and it takes forever and a ton of money to send that kind of stuff over there. So I'm very sorry from the bottom of my heart. But we're going to do a quick shout out. I think he has a YouTube channel. You guys can go check it out. That'd be great. But other thing, when if the winners of the giveaway don't text me or DM me or whatever by next Friday, then I'm going to have to choose some new winners. So keep that in mind. Just get it done now. My Instagram name is tyler.yoyo. Check it out. Maybe give me a follow. If not, whatever. I don't care. Just please DM me if you can. Thank you all for watching the video. I'll see you guys in the next video. No